What's going on, guys? Gabriel with Basic Car Guys here, and today we're gonna be cleaning up the BRZ. We're gonna be cleaning up the 8.6. So as you guys know, the 8.6 is over here. Basically what we're gonna do is I'm pretty much just gonna like wash it out, like as far as like the engine bay, the wheel wells, just like general dirt, like the crevices and stuff like that. It's got a lot of dirt. It's been sitting for about a year, and I just prefer to like have it cleaned up. So with that being said, what we're gonna use is actually the Hyper Clean X that we got a while back. So go ahead, and if you haven't already clicked on that video, it should be somewhere up there. So watch what the Hyper Clean X does. Other than that, we're gonna go ahead and pull this car out, and then we're gonna go ahead and spray it down. And do all that crazy stuff. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Alright, so car is like kind of cleaned up or whatever. I just wanted to get a lot of the rust, like the surface dirt off of it. Just kind of makes the car like look a little bit better, even though like it kind of didn't look bad. But something about like dirt and all that, it's just not fun to work with. So anyway, we pressure washed the engine bay, which was like pretty good. Kind of needed that because it had a lot of buildup on the cross member, and it was kind of like annoying. I don't like stuff like that. So that's done, and then yeah, so I guess that's gonna be the ending for now. There's still a lot of other stuff that I want to do with the Corolla, but I have to kind of go on about my day. I'm gonna get some of the parts cleaned up and take pictures of, so I can go ahead and post it for sale and sell these parts, so I can get, you know, some cash, and then get a motor. Hopefully soon I can get an engine. So with that being said, you guys, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe now. And if you guys have any suggestions of what kind of content you want to see on the 8.6, please let me know. I'm open to suggestions. Tell me if you want me to see me like clean up stuff, you want me to take out the dash, you want me to like fuck up wiring, whatever. Just let me know. For now, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys, and you guys have a great day.